गुजारिश करूँगा विक्टोरिया हॉस्पिटल से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले वहाँ के ENT कंसल्टेंट डॉक्टर यूनुस वड़ाइच साहब से कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएँ और मुख्तसरन अपने ख़यालात का इज़हार फरमाएँ।
Beginning in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Please accept the gratitude for the interest you have shown for the preparation of this arrangement and all the setup. I want to salute the pupils who founded this organization. Definitely they were well-wishers of human being. Whenever you come across some well-wisher, always try to follow him, because you may have success, you may be benefited. Take the example of a family. Mother is the maximum well-wisher of a child. And if you want to know some most well-wisher, that is Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah is the well-wisher of human being. But what is his demand? His demand is that every person should avoid the hell and should go to the paradise. But for that, how we can have that success? So for that we have to follow the commandment of Allah and follow the ways of the Holy Prophet for the sake of Allah. Do we follow that criteria? Every sect of the society has progressed at the top at the moment. Everywhere there is progress, but ethically we are going down. Our character is on decline, and interestingly we are happy for that. We don't even realize that. So I would request the most learned intellectual people of the Pakistan, I can say, please remember your actual mission, remember your vision, that we have to face the accountability by Allah. That's it for today. Thank you.